Hi friends, today we come to the day 20 of our Louis Hay mirror work. Today's topic is teaching mirror work to your children. Children also faces a lot of stress in their life. Today we learn how this mirror work we can teach to the children, how they can benefit, so how they can watch the miracles that can happen in their life. So that is our topic today. So, as we are nearly end of this course and you are done this mirror work so beautifully, along with you, I also done this mirror work once again with you all, and I feel so proud of myself, aren't you? So, applaud yourself for your commitment and dedication every day. Every day you practice the mirror work and you are giving yourself a time. You are giving yourself love. Okay, your self love has been increased and you have learned so many things about yourself, isn't it? And every day you practice the mirror work, you are letting the old belief go away and you are filling up with the new beliefs, and you are not carrying that old beliefs which you are carrying for so long. Now you just removed from your life. So where did these negative beliefs come from? What do you think? So these negative beliefs are come from as a children, that whatever the things that you heard about around you, we observed every word that thought to us as a kids, and we carried them as a growing. You often see another persons who are cruel and hurtful names, who call you the hurtful names and all those things, but you believed them and you are carrying such a behavior to them. So you are called as you are a troublemaker, you are a lazy person, you are not doing good, this kind of things, and you carried all the behaviors with you. You started believing them. Look back and see where the difficult lessons of this course that you have learned, lessons in which you have uncovered your beliefs that are blocking you. You just see your journaling work and you can know that wherever that the belief system that have to follow. I was not. So you may see, I was taught at the school that life is what I can become what I want. Or the school never told that I can be so creative. School never thought that what I thought I will become. So all these are the destiny. That all these thoughts, positive thinking shapes your destiny. That was never taught to us. That is the reason why we are like this today, and we have learned the mirror work today, and we are just going releasing these old beliefs and going to the new beliefs. So when we are learning, don't we want to support our kids from now onwards? So that is what we should do. So try to teach the kids also from now onwards, so that they can do the mirror work from now, and they can be a positive affirmations from now onwards. We can change our all that from and our children now. One of the most important thing we can do or remind them is basic truth is that they are lovable. Do love unconditionally the kids, right? Do not say that if you do that then only you love it. Okay, our love as a parents will not be perfect if you are a conditional love. You should not put any conditions. You should be unconditionally, you should be love. Children today have a lot more stress than, lot more issues, lot more stress than we are at that age, right? So they are steadily with this news, right? With this news and the critical state, they are actually going through the continuous stress in their lives with their complex choices. So these challenges is a direct reflection of how they truly feel about themselves. So when all these challenges comes up in their life, if they truly feel that they are confident about themselves, they can deal with these issues very easily. If they are not confident about themselves, friends, they cannot deal all the issues. The more children love and respect themselves, the easier it will be to take the right choices of their life. We instill the children a sense of independence and a power of knowledge. They can make the difference today's world. Okay, above all, the important thing is children to love themselves, children to be confident themselves, children to feel that they are good enough. So that is the one which we have to insist on them. Young people are looking up us and listening every word we say. So be by an example, be a shining example to them when you are doing your affirmations, when you are doing your statements. Be an example to them. Nurture your children in their life, that that as you nurture yourself in this mirror work. Remember that nobody is a perfect. You are not a perfect parent. Your kid may not be a perfect child. So when the child is not perfect, when your parent is not a perfect, why are we actually scolding them, or why are we actually? So love them anyway, love them unconditionally. We bound to make the poor choices, if not today, tomorrow. So that is okay. Tell them that that's okay. Now, sometimes we all might have done. So it is all the process of life. Okay. The important thing is love your child unconditionally. That is what we may have to. The most important thing, love yourself unconditionally and love your child unconditionally. Then see how miracles will happen, how the things will change. So what is the affirmations? Today's affirmation: I can be what I want to be. I can be what I want to be. I can do what I want to do. I can be what I want to be, and I can do what I want to do. All life supports me. This is the today's affirmation. And what is the mirror work? I'm just giving the below link here. There are a couple of videos, small videos, that you can show with your kids. One is on the mirror work and one is on the journaling, right? So the Jessica, the small little girl, how she is actually doing the affirmations, you can see, and you can teach your kids as well. Okay. Watch this video along with your child also. Watch this video and ask your child, do her or his daily affirmations, just as the Jessica did, and dancing like a dancing. Ask your kid to be happy. It is very happy to do this work in the mirror. Okay, do this exercise and say that I love you everything about you. Also tell your child, I love you and I love you everything about you. I'm great, I'm beautiful. Tell her that they need. I'm great. I'm beautiful. I can be cool. I can dance like a TV star. I can sing like a pop star. Something like that. You just let them do all the positive affirmations, whatever the way they want to. Schedule some time with them. Just do some few minutes is enough, friends. So schedule some time and let them practice this mirror work daily, so that they also can develop the positive attitude from now onwards. What we have done, we just learned the old beliefs and now we are erasing it and rewriting it. But for the kids, if you started now onwards, they can do from now onwards itself, right? The positive things. So the power is within you. The power is within you. That we have to. So the journaling exercise, similar to the journaling exercise, I am also sending a small journaling exercise link below from the Louise Hay itself, so you can watch for the kids. Have a drawing paper, color pencils, markers, and do that magic mirror. And before that magic mirror, you write all the affirmations with the glitter, with the sparkles, etc. Ask your child to turn the magic mirror and say the wonderful things about yourself, about herself, or about himself. Do this exercise and write down everything. Okay. In this way, they can do every day some good positive affirmations they can do in front of the mirror. What is the heart thought for the day? This is day 20. I communicate openly with my child. I communicate openly with my child. It is vitally important to communicate openly with your children, especially during the teenage years. If they are feeling bad, let them tell that it's okay to feel bad. If they get the bad grades, tell them it's okay. Now onwards they can try, right? So it's first let them try to come and talk to you. Okay, don't say that, don't do that, don't feel that. Instead tell them what they can do, right? Okay, don't feel that way, don't express that, don't stop, communicate that kind of thing, right? So at one day you'll say, oh, my son is not calling after going to the college, or my daughter is not calling. Where in the world they can call you? Because you already, by giving don'ts, you already stopped giving the communicating, right? So be open to them, let them share. If it's okay, Nana, to feel the bad, and tell me what happened, I can help you, I can do that. So let them open up their feelings with you, friends, so that you will be able to help them. So the affirmation is, I am open with my children. I am open, that I communicate openly with my children. I am open to talk with my children. Encourage them to share their feelings, and so that the lines of communication between you and your kids will be restored. Otherwise the lines will cut and they won't call you also, right? So be open. That is very important nowadays. You communicate openly with your kids. Okay, friends, Tomorrow, 21st day, the last day of our mirror work. See you. Bye.